My name is Robbie Balilan. I'm the tech representative here working with Adorama. We're so excited to have everyone here today. Today we have an EDU event specifically where all students and general people could come in, try out some of the gear that we have here with Sony, and get a chance to use it in the field and test out what they like. One of the key cameras that I have here is our RX1R Mark III. It's an incredible full frame camera. And this is one of the things that you could rent out here, right? 61 megapixels. It's a fixed lens. This is one of my favorite cameras to be shooting around. Amazing quality with as compact as we can make it. We're happy to have everyone here. I hope you guys have a great day. And thank you, Adorama, for being our host in this whole thing.
Hey everyone, my name is Pete Isgrig. I'm with SanDisk. We're here at the Adorama Rooftop Event, and I am here with all of our photo and video data storage products. The main feature that I want to show off to everyone here, it's called our Creator Series Phone SSD. So this little guy, it magnetizes the back of your phone, it connects with USB-C, and then you can shoot ProRes video directly to it. And then when you're in your settings, you can see how many minutes you have. It goes up to 1 and 2 terabyte capacities. And then when you're done with it, shooting on this, you can connect this directly to a computer. You can do your editing off of it. A lot of people ask, what is Creator Series? What's the difference? The basic idea for Creator Series was we curated one of each type of our data storage products with the right specs for photo, video, content creation, so that if you don't know a lot about data storage, what all the differences between SSDs and memory cards are, this helps simplify the decision and that process.
Hey everybody, it's JC from Wescott. I'm here at the Sony Adorama Rooftop Event in Manhattan, and this is definitely a cool place to be. We got 3 different setups, so all kinds of Wescott strobes, including the on-sale FJ800, which you definitely want to get right now. It's the best price it'll be maybe ever. But really, this is a great time to come check out Sony gear, Wescott gear, learn, play with these great models, get lots of cool pictures. It's a really great environment.
My name is Erin Lefebvre. I'm currently teaching photography at the High School of Fashion Industries. Yeah, it's really great to have industry events, especially Adorama offers so many photography events for students and educators. There's only so much that can be done in the classroom, so it's really important to have educational opportunities outside of the classroom, especially working with professional companies and other professionals in the industry. Right, it's not only about students being exposed to equipment, different types of cameras and lenses, but it's also about networking. It's really important to have these type of events so that it reinforces what students are learning in the classroom and they know what type of professional opportunities are available to them in the real world.
Hi, my name is Marilyn. I am from the School of Fashion Industries and I'm an art major. Me just starting out as a 17-year-old, it's kind of amazing to be a part of this Sony event with Adorama because I've met incredible people over here. I've met people that taught me how to use a flash, how to set up my camera right. It makes me have the space to be creative, but also it gives me the opportunity to network with people and get advice, to get information, to know about how photography works, how could photography get you into these fields. Adorama is really the place to be with Sony, and being here is so amazing and great. And I'm really thankful to Adorama and Sony for giving me this opportunity, but also my teacher from the High School of Fashion Industries, Ms. Lefebvre.
I'm Cooper. I'm here with Western Digital, here at the Adorama Sony event on this lovely rooftop, and really talking with folks about the importance of different hard drive solutions and how to store and back up your creative projects. And this is everything from how to bundle and use the right type of hard drives in NAS systems, all the way to our G drives and G RAIDs, and the importance of RAID systems, how they achieve better redundancy and speed with hard drives working together, achieve that greater capacity and safety net of keeping a project safe in a backup solution.
What's up, guys? My name is Eric Hercules, and today we're here with Adorama and Sony, teaching young students how to shoot photography. We're talking about anything from aperture to shutter speed to shooting with flash. We're here with an incredible model named Marissa, having so much fun, always learning with people. It's always beautiful to just connect on a human level and then talk about art afterwards, you know, or talk about art through the human lens, through their experiences, what they want to communicate. So, I mean, I'm just learning so much and having so much fun.
Hi, I'm Kesha. I'm here at the Sony and Adorama Rooftop Event. We are out here. It is beautiful weather. I have this awesome set with a red frame. It's really simple. The idea is to just kind of get creative and give people some inspiration for different ways they can work with lighting outdoor. We have an amazing model today, Trinity, who is just giving us a lot of inspiration. I'm using the Sony a7R5 today. It's one of my favorite camera bodies to use for portraits. It gives me all that great resolution because I love to do creative crops. And we're just playing around, getting, experimenting, doing some traditional portraits, but as well as doing some more creative editorial style portraits. And I think we're all just having a great time. The vibes are high and beautiful, and I've met some really great people, and I'm looking forward to day 2.
Don't you ever call me. No, 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 no. Please leave me alone on my birthday. Thank you. And that's about exes texting you on your birthday.